It's a great day for hockey cards, and today, look at this. We've got 2014, 2015 Upper Deck MVP hockey. So it's a product a little bit out of its time. It's not a new release at all. 8 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. I've had this box for a while. Um, Interesting fact, 14-15 was the year that Upper Deck took over the exclusive NHL license to produce hockey cards. So after 14-15, no other company was permitted to use the team logos on their products. So that was the beginning of the Upper Deck monopoly, and I think pretty much all the sports are monopoly at this point as far as licensing. 14-15, in this box, we should get at least one autograph or a superscript, which is cards numbered to 25, or a memorabilia card, which they don't have in MVP anymore. Lots of good rookies in this class. However, we will not be pulling any of them because all the rookies are redemptions. So, and those are long expired. As usual with MVP, all the high number cards, anything like over 200, is a short print card. So, this is Bo Horvat's rookie year and Shane Gostisbehere and Pasternak, Goudreau, Draisaitl, but we won't be pulling any of those because, well, we can't. We might pull the redemptions, though. We should get a couple redemptions out of here, actually. This is actually one of my least favorite MVP designs. They didn't leave a lot of space for the actual photo. There's a big giant border down there. But I do, in general, like MVP. There's Andrew Ference, Scotty Upshaw, Greg McKaig, rookie. So I guess not all the rookies are redemptions, but all the high-numbered ones are, I guess. Mike Green. There's a silver script of Cody Hodgson. And here we have an insert of NHL 3 stars. We've got Stammer, Phil Kessel, and Ryan Kessler. And it gives you a little write-up on what they did. That's actually a really cool insert. Sean Monahan and Tommy Wingles. Probably a lot of people watching this video haven't even seen this product before, because I know the hobby in the last few years experienced a pretty big growth of new collectors. Mark Stahl, Jonas Hiller, Milan Lucic. There's Teemu Selanne. There's a silver script of Brandon Dubinsky. Paul Stastny, Louis Eriksson, and Corey Schneider. Got Patrick Hornquist, Alexander Barkov, Derek Roy, Vincent Lecavalier. There's a silver script of Teemu Selanne, Hall of Famer Teemu Selanne, Brendan Gallagher, Lars Eller, and Cam Ward. So I'm hoping we pull an auto, but that is the least likely scenario. But even like a low-numbered superscript, or, a nice piece of jersey would be cool too. Marcus Foligno, OEL. We've got Sean Couturier. Got some cards sticking there. There's Steven Stamkos. We've got NHL Rookie of the Month. There's Antti Ranta, Alexander Edler, and Clark MacArthur. Mika Zibanejad, Ben Bishop, Jonathan Taves. Oh, check that out. We pulled a printing plate. These are 101s. That's Andre Shakara. That is a great, great pull. That is a 1-on-1. So these are the plates that they use. I guess this is the yellow printing plate. Yeah, when they're actually printing the cards. Pulled one of these before, I think, out of MVP as well. But that is a really cool memorabilia card, a one-on-one. Then we got a Claude Giroux silver script, Andre Palat, Zdeno Chara, and Jonathan Huby. Doobie Doober now. Wow, all of a sudden, super excited about what we got. I was bummed that a bunch of the rookies are redemptions, but that's pretty cool. There's a rookie of Nemestikov, Neil Yakupov, Claude Giroux. There's a silver script of Tanner Pearson. And a 3 stars of Robin Lehner, Freddie Anderson, and Patrick Sharp. Kari Lettinen, Tanner Pearson, and Dennis Weidman. We've got Ovi, Brandon Dubinsky, Tyler Myers, Nazem Kadri, and a silver script of Vladimir Sabatka. Valerie Nichushkin, Kevin Shattenkirk, and Nick Bugstad. So I wonder, curious now, if that counts as memorabilia. That's my memorabilia card. Or if I'll still get one of the other cards. Cody Hodgson, Yuri Hudler, Felix Potvin. There's Yuri Hudler's silver script. Torrey Krug, Mark Scheifele, and Thomas Plekanec. Peter Mrazek, Dustin Penner, Brandon Bollig, JVR. Looks like we got a Colors and Contours coming up. Silver script of Tyler Myers. And a Colors and Contours of Lee Stempniak. The pens. That is a really funky die cut there. Vladimir Sabatka and Jason Garrison. David Clarkson, Ryan Smith, UC Jokinen, Eric Carlson, and there's a silver script of Vinny LeCavalier, Brad Marchand, Jacob Voracek, and Mats Zuccarello. Seth Jones, Andrei Markov, Joe Pavelski, Ryan Callahan, silver script of JVR, Andy Green, Mike Richards, and Rich Peverly. Still one of my favorite things about sets like MVP or O-Pee-Chee is the sheer number of cards you get. You get a ton of cards. Lots of stuff to look at. Lots of stats to go through. Marcus Johansson, Franz Nielsen, Daniel Alfredson, Jason Garrison silver script, and we've got a Colors and Contours of Brian Little. Brent Burns. There's a Sid the Adult checklist. I guess he's kind of borderline still Sid the Kid in 2014. And Camilleri. Pack is not cooperating there. Ben Scrivens, Tyler Johnson, Brian Giunta, Jerome McKinley, Dennis Weidman silver script, Braden Shen, Brian Little, and Valtteri Filppula. A little tongue-tied here. We've got Mason Raymond, Wayne Simmons, Josh Bailey, Patrick Elias, Andrei Markov silver script, Colors and Contours of Jonathan Huby Doobie Duberdow, Justin Williams, Radim Verbata. Got Mike Fisher, Cam Fowler, Moose. There's a Mike Green silver script, followed by a Duper, Pascal Dupuis, colors and contours. Robin Lehner, Andre Shakira, and Dan Girardi. Alex Chason, Carl Hagelin. We've got a rookie of Oscar Klefbom. Johan Franzen. There's a silver script of Erik Karlsson. Antti Ranta, Olli Mata, and Dan Boyle. Nick Bonino, Thomas Tatar, there's Peter Forsberg. There's a silver script of Brad Marchand. Colors and contours of Alexander Steen. Those are really nice ones. Nathan McKinnon, Olli Jokinen, and J.S. Jaguar. Patrick Berglund, Teddy Purcell, Andrew Ladd, a Matt Zuccarello silver script. 3 stars, Tyler Seguin, Artem Anisimov, and Adam Henrique. Blake Wheeler, Evander Kane, and Chris Higgins. Really like the idea of that 3 stars insert. Something, it seems like a pretty... I wonder why they still don't do it, because it seems like a no-brainer insert. The NHL tells you who to put on the cards, basically. You just do the write-up on the back. Ryan McDonough, Kyle Okposo, The Hammer, Nicholas Hjalmarsson, Matt Duchene, silver script of Seth Jones. Then we've got Gustav Nyquist, Jaden Schwartz, and Mark Giordano. We're getting down near the bottom here. Brian Elliott. We've got Jonathan Erickson, Duncan Keith. There is a silver script of Jerome McGinley. 3 stars, we've got Patrick Sharp, Ryan Miller, and Gigolo Jimmy. Andrew Shaw, Jacob Markstrom, and Carl Soderberg. Jeff Skinner, Zach Cassian, Nick Foligno, Alex Petrangelo, and Joe Pavelski, silver script. We've got a Yuri Hudler, colors and contours. That's a different cutout. I guess that is a gold die cut 2. Marek Sidlicki and Mikael Granlund. Down to 3. Brock Nelson, Alexander Steen. We've got a Jonathan Taves silver script. And it looks like we have a memorabilia of Corey Schneider. Little goalie action there. The red patch. That's really cool. We got that in addition to the 1 of 1. Nathan Gerbe and Sam Gagner. Tyler Toffoli, Martin Hanzau, Morgan Riley, Tyler Ennis. Silver script of Jacob Voracek. Mark-Edward Vlasic, Paul Martin, and Matt Cook. Final pack. It's a pretty fun break. MVP here. Riley Smith, Dustin Brown, Daniel Paillet, Nicholas Cronwall. Our silver script is Braden Shen, Andre Pavlik, Ryan O'Reilly, and Scotty Hartnell. So there you have it. That is 2014-15 Upper Deck MVP Hockey. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.